Guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's see here. Who's all here? Hey, Redhead. DJC, Real Potato, how's it going? Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I thought, we'd work on some Blender rigging. Hey, Center Sarge, how's it going? So yeah, I've never rigged a character before. This will be my first time trying to do it, so we'll see how it goes. I'm sure we'll make many mistakes and friends along the way. With that being said, let's get started. Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. So, here's our character. Here's what we're working on so far. This is him. I think what I wanted to work on before I started rigging is, working on his eyes, and getting his eyes, and face kind of more proper. Tools for auto rigging, the way I learned it was very manual, so I think that's how I'm gonna do it first. I want to learn how to do it the vanilla way before messing with any, like, special tools or anything. Hey Terzi, how's it going? So first off, I extruded out these faces to kind of make these eye whites here, but I want them to be more rounded. Right now they're a little square, so we're gonna just try and move some vertices around. I think there's a way to make it snap to the surface, but I kind of forget how to do that. Snap to faces. Let's see. And if we have that turned on and hold control, hopefully that should be snapped. Let's see, I think I want to hide these pupils. Hey, every time I die, how's it going? Your name sounds like 50% of Team Rocket. Good morning. How are you guys all doing? Did you guys have a good weekend? Anybody get up to anything fun? A VR chat avatar? No, this is for a game jam that I'm working on. It's mostly just for fun, just to learn some new Blender stuff. Blender's been a lot of fun to learn. It'd be fun to learn how to make a VR chat character. I've never played that game though. I've never really done VR chat. So I'm not super familiar with, like, what a VR chat character is supposed to look like or do. Hey world, have a good lurk. I don't know anything about weight painting, I will say that. But just setting up like a basic armature seems pretty easy. But anyways, let's see. Let's grab these vertices here. Grab these two, turn on, what's it called? Proportional editing. Let's just bring that in like that. Kind of squish it around until we get it how we want it to look. these guys down a little. Oh, nice DJC. That sounds like fun. How's that look? Let's unhide the eyes. Whoops! There's all my sculpting stuff. I meant to hide that. Let's see. Hide all that junk. Don't need that. Oh no! Where does eyes go? There we go. Let's rename that to eyes. Hey Vivestus, how's it going? How's that look just from a distance? Let's turn off wireframe. Which I totally know how to do. There we go. I think that's okay. Maybe I want to bring these edges over a little bit. Just grab that. Over a little. How's that look? It seems okay. And for his pupils, I think I just want them to be like straight up circles, probably. Yeah, I've done weight painting before. Like, I know how to weight paint. I've just never done it in Blender. I don't know if we'll get that nitpicky with it, because I spent a lot of time on this character rig. Really, I need to start working on putting the game together. Hey, Classy Goblin, how's it going? Let's see, let's add a circle. Oops, where is circle? Nerve circle, curve. I think it's these ones. This guy. No, that doesn't look right. I thought there was like a circle made out of verts. There it is. Found it. Okay, so let's go into edit mode. Scale that along the Y. Rigging music. Let's see. Let's rotate that along the Y. Hey Arnett, how's it going? Let's see, let's paint that black. Then it'd be cool to make these like the Doom sprites where they always face the camera. Not sure how you would do that, but I bet it's pretty easy. Let's see, add a mirror modifier. Oh, he's seen some shit. Exactly. There'd be like a good way and a bad way to do it. Getting there. Rotate it a bit this way. And we want to extrude it a little bit, just to give it some volume. That looks pretty good. Oh, YCH stands for your character here, by the way. Like, this is supposed to be like your avatar for your character. Oh, you guys just asked that. Yeah, it stands for your character here. You see it a lot on like commissions and stuff. Let's hide the eyebrows, which looks fucking weird, but give it a second. Grab those faces, duplicate them, and separate. Go into object mode, select that. Find our material. We just want it to be black, like that. Okay, edit. Let's add some edge loops. Like that. And we just want to round it out a little bit. I'm not sure, is there a way to make it like snap to face? Like I have it on snap to face, but it's like not doing it. Snap to normals? Is there anything like that? Align rotation. Snap to volume, maybe? Let's try that. Yeah, it's like, it just snaps to that vertice. It's not like staying on the surface at all. A shrink wrap modifier. Modifier. Oh, we also need to give it a mirror modifier. shrink wrap on surface, and the surface is this guy. Okay. Why is there one back there? He's got a back eyebrow. Oh, that's probably my mirror. There we go. Turn that off. Edit. So in theory, I shouldn't be able to move it out this way. Still can though. Yeah, it's still like going inside the model. I thought there was a way to make it like snap onto the surface. I know there's like, with my retopology tools that can do that. I don't know how you do it in just vanilla Blender. No, all I want is just like these vertices when I move them to not like go inside the mesh or outside the mesh. I just want it like snapping to the pink head, you know? So it stays on the character. Snap to... I thought snap to edge or snap to face would work. Oh, it seems like it is, actually. I think that is working. Yeah, I think that is working. It looks funky because the edges are going like inside the geometry. But once we add extrusion, then that should be fine. My knife tool. Oops. Let's just round this corner out a little bit. Like that. Cool. Yeah, it seems like snapping to faces is working now. It just looks kind of funny, that's all. We could probably add the extrusion now. Face, extrude just a little bit. Hopefully it's still snapping to face. Seems like it is. Cool. I think that's working pretty good. can turn snapping off, and then we want to kind of give it a little bit of a curve. Let's see, maybe bring these corners out a little bit. How's that? Looks pretty alright. Do I want to give him a mouth? Kind of? Kind of? I don't know if this will look good, but just do like that. Then turn the thickness down. Will that work on that? Or do I have to select it first? Let's see. Object. Select that. Turn the thickness down like that. Add a mirror modifier. Oh shit, Classy Goblin.
Classy Goblin 23 just resubscribed for 4 months. Thank you. Twitch says I have been subbed 4 months. Huh? Doesn't feel like it. Something doesn't feel right, lol.
Thank you, Classy Goblin. Today's not a great day for commercials. I'm trying to be a little quiet, but thank you so much, Classy Goblin. I really appreciate it. You get a smooch. Big smooch. Yeah, time sure flies. 4 months. Thank you, man. It's cute. I like it a lot. Okay. I think that's probably good enough to move on. I'm not sure if there's anything I need to prep before I start adding in bones and shit. Like maybe if I need to parent some objects to each other. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out along the way. Okay, let's save this as a new version. Let's delete all of our extra stuff we don't want. Don't need any of this. Let's rename all of our objects. What is this? Vert? Seems like an extrovert. Don't need that. That is eyebrows. This is eyes, or pupils rather. Pupils, eyes, and then body. Okay. Start adding some bones. Actually, what if we select everything and just joined it together? Oops. That's what I was wondering. So it looks like we need to apply some modifiers before we do that. So let's convert to mesh, convert to mesh, convert to mesh. Maybe do the same on our grease pencil objects. Now if we join them together. I think that's okay. Hopefully that'll work. And then to add a bone, we simply Shift A, armature, move it up on the Z. Oops. And it's making keyframes. I wish it would stop doing that. Move it up on the Z. Why is it? It's like going off into space. Oh, because my snapping's on. That's why. Turn that off. User error. And then we want it to view on top, which is it visibility, relations, custom properties, viewport display, in front. There we go. So let's go into edit mode, move that down. Not exactly sure how these should be arranged. We'll kind of mess with it and just see what works. One for the head. And there's our character rig. We're all done. Pretty neat. Okay. We should probably rename these. So, spine 1. Wait. Oh, because we're in edit mode. That's probably why. I'm confused. These are all the same bone. Thanks, Center Sarge. Have a good day, dude. I always appreciate you stopping by while I flounder through this stuff. Was I not supposed to extrude it in edit mode? I'm pretty sure I was supposed to. Let me check my tutorial thing here. Confused. I thought I could rename all of these. Yeah, they're just called Bone 1, Bone 2, and Bone 3. How do I select just the individual bone? I guess right here, I don't know which one I have selected though. Is it in edit mode? It wasn't letting me rename them though. Oh, now it does. Oh, weird. I guess I just selected the wrong thing. So let's call this armature. And then this bone will be spine 1, spine 2, etc. There we go. That's what we wanted to do. And then this is his neck. And then head. Let's add another bone. Move that in place. Rotate 90 degrees. I mean 180. Not sure the best way to do his hands. Hey Butters Turtles, how's it going? Butter is indeed turtles. Couldn't agree more. I think for his hands we'll have like a palm bone, but we'll have the hands be separate, I think. To align it this way. Like that. Okay. And then this is going to be arm 1 dot left. Hey, Fate! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hey PK, I am. This is my first time rigging anything in Blender, so we'll see how it goes. And then this is arm 2 dot left, and then hand dot left. Okay. And then for his fingers. Yeah, rigging was one of the classes I failed in my college education, actually. Shit's hard. Let's add another bone. Big guy up here. What are you guys all up to? Anybody working on any cool projects or anything? Using Blender hurts my brain. I love using Blender. Like, once you get over that hurdle, Blender's a lot of fun. Once you get to the point where it's like you're comfortable, Blender becomes like pretty fun to use, actually. Let's see, let's just move that here. I think his fingers are only gonna have 2 bones. Rotate it that way. And then does Shift D work? It does. Put those over here. Yeah, once you learn, actually, if you want a good Blender tutorial, just ask. It's also under my Discord. But it's the low poly Blender modeling tutorial. But it also teaches like everything you need to know. It's super useful. Highly recommend that tutorial over the donut. So then you actually learn like everything in an hour versus like 5 hours or 8 hours, whatever the donut is. Do cardboard crafts. That's cool. Yeah, if you like doing stuff more hands-on, you'd probably like just doing that more than Blender. But you can do some pretty cool stuff with digital also. Sculpting in digital is kind of nice in that you don't have to worry about getting thumbprints on your sculpture or anything like that. Oops, took the key. So this we probably want to have 3 bones. I'm not exactly sure if that'll work or not, but I think that's what we want to do. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oh, fudge, what did I do? Oops. There we go. That looks pretty good. I think that'll work. The learn low poly modeling? I think so. If you look up low poly modeling, it's like the first one that comes up. It's this guy. I think it's the most useful Blender tutorial. His whole channel's great. He teaches everything. A lot of like game dev stuff too, like how to use it in Unity. Do you have to have bones in the body? Absolutely not. Let me show you something real quick. Butter. If I go into sculpting mode, let me just, is there a way to hide bones real quick? If I go into sculpting mode, let me disable my mask real quick. There's actually this pose tool, this guy right here. So it works depending on how big this circle is or how big my brush is, but I can set the pose tool to be this size, and then I can grab his arm and just rotate it that way. It's grabbing his chest, so let's bring it down a little bit, but you can move and pose your characters kind of like that, you know? So you don't have to use bones, you know, you can pose things just with the sculpt brush. Just like that. He's doing karate. Anyways. Yeah, bones, I'm just adding bones because I want to animate him, is why I'm adding bones. But you could animate with the pose tool also. It's just, I feel not as easy. Hey Dapper, how's it going? I saw you were streaming. How'd your stream go? Sorry, I couldn't tune in. It was my dinner time. Let's see. Let's call this one dot left. Yeah, you gotta add the crunchy modifier to any bones. Very important step. Thumb 2. Thumb 3. Call this index 1. I really like the variety of music we've had today. We went from balloon music to just like peaceful lo-fi. If you wanted to, could you put that into Gary's mod? Probably. I wouldn't know how, but I'm sure you could. Let's see. And then this is middle finger. Middle finger 2. And then pinky. Why do they call it pinky? It's the same color as all the other fingers. Pinky 2. Cool. And then lastly, but not leastly, well, before we do the legs, let's do the ears. Ears would be fun. Add another bone. Move it up here. Right around there. Give it a little flappy flap. And this one. There we go. We're gonna mirror all this stuff. Like, when you do it all on one side, there's a really quick way to mirror everything over to the other side. But when you're renaming it, you want to make sure to put .l or .r before you do it. Nothing's from stopping you from calling all your fingers pinky. Yours are the same color? Alright, so that's ear 1 left. Yeah, I haven't touched Maya in a long time, but I feel like Blender is a lot, not only like easier to use, but also a lot better in a lot of ways. Which is funny because it's about $3,000 less. Let's see, let's put a leg there, put a leg here, one here, let's move them into place. Let's see, grab this ball. Right there. I love four-fingered characters. They're my favorite. Okay. Probably like down like that, and then this will be his toes. There we go. Looks pretty good. There's a bit of a rotation on his feet, which probably isn't the best, but I think we can make that work. So if I move that like that, actually, right along the Y, same with that one. Try and get that straightened up. The word pinky is derived from the Dutch word pink, meaning little finger. Interesting. That's cool. Did not expect to learn that today. I see. Tersey, I want you to star in a mystery solving game where you find clues. Yes, this clue makes sense to me. I see. Let's see, let's maybe move that up a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. Is his knee in a good spot? His knee's a bit thick, boy. I wonder if that's gonna give us issues. We'll just have to see. Yes, the floor is made of floor. I see. Let's see. Leg 1.L. Leg 2. I don't know if naming them anything specific would be important. I feel like I'm just gonna select them visually. Four, and then these will be toes. .L. Okay. So now we can mirror these. Let me see if I can do it without looking at my tutorial. If I just select these and then right click, mirror on the Y. Yes, yes. Mirror. Interactive mirror. Not sure that worked. I don't know why all my modeling turned out this way, but all of my mirroring is on the Y instead of the X. I think it's supposed to be on the Y, but they've always turned out to be like mirrored on the Y instead of the X. Do I have to duplicate it first? Let me go check my guide. Let me see what the guide says. Let's get to the part where we duplicate it. To duplicate arm bones, shift left click on all the bones, then hit shift D. Move your mouse around, right. Hit S for scale, and then X and -1. No. No, you don't have to do that. This might be kind of old. Maybe that's before there was a mirror option. But it sounds like we do duplicate it. So if we duplicate and then move it on the Y and then mirror it on the Y local, and then just move it in place as best as we can. Right about there. How's the hand look? Hand's the most delicate part. That'll tell us if we're off or not. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, and then for auto rename, it's under armature names, flip names. Armature names, flip names. now, if I select these, they are all named right, but now they have a .001 at the end of them. Whatever, that seems fine. Okay. I think it's because when I imported my reference images, it sets them to this axis, is why. It's super strange. Parent the bones with an offset to the chest. You can't just write a sentence like that. I don't know what that means. Oh, he has a separate bone for the shoulders itself. Maybe that would be good to do. Crap. Maybe, maybe not. Hey, Nibibble. It's going okay. How are you doing today? Fudge. A shoulder's probably a good idea. Let's see. Let's select all these. And maybe before we do that whole thing, before we duplicate them, let's make a shoulder bone. Alright, I learned my way with the tutorial. I'm curious, oh shoot. Is there a way to split up a bone? Is there a way to split a bone in half? There must be. Blender, split bone. We're gonna break his bone. I don't want a new armature object. I just want to split the bone in half. W and subdivide? W just brings up a brush cursor for me. Armature. There's extrude. Split. No, that didn't do it. Separate bones? No. Subdivide. There it is. I guess there's no hotkey for it, but it's under the armature menu there. So let's go back before I moved it. There we go. I don't want this circle select tool. How do I get rid of this? Select lasso. There we go. Okay. Armature, subdivide. Move his shoulder in place like that. Move this along the Y. Like that. There we go. And then let's call this the shoulder. Shoulder is one of those weird words I never know how to spell, but I think I spelled it right. Arm1.l. Cool. Control-Alt-P? Control-Alt-P. No, that didn't seem to do anything. Sounds nice, Nibibble. Alright, let's follow the Terzi method. 1, duplicate bones. So let's select our bones. I wish it stayed on the lasso select tool permanently. It's my favorite way to select things. So duplicate, Change pivot mode to 3D cursor. Scale on the Y with -1. So smart. Genius. For some reason I was thinking back in Maya days when you had to like open up this menu and go into here and then type negative into here. I was like, I can't be arsed to do that. I forgot you can just like type it on the keyboard. It's so easy. Okay, armature, names, flip names. I would like to get rid of this 0.001 at the end. I'm sure there's a way to Blender mass rename. Rename active object under edit. Edit, rename active item. No, that just renames one thing, I think. That's not what we want. Edit, batch rename, selected, find and replace. Find 001. Rename it with nothing. Press OK. Oh, that didn't work. Batch rename. Change case, change characters. I don't know why that's not working. I'll just do it manual. It's not that many. Yeah, I'm sure it's a user error. There must be something that I did wrong. Also, this seems like not enough bones. Oh, because they're all like, I see. They're all like parented underneath. Let me try that just one more time. See if we can get rid of the 0.001. Batch rename. Set name, find and replace. We want to find 0.001 and rename it with nothing. It says rename 0 objects. Maybe if we select all, rename 4 objects. That seems like not enough. Well, whatever. Renamed 0 out of 4 objects. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. It's fine. Just aesthetic things. Okay, so now we have our armature. Let's save up a version before we mess this up. Let's see what we need to do next. Did the legs already. Okay, finally we should attach the mesh to the complete rig and start posing. To do that, go back to object mode, select the model you want to parent the rig, and shift right click. So object mode, select that. Select the model you want to parent to the rig. So select this guy. Shift right click until you select the rig. Okay. Hit Control P. And then select armature with automatic weights. Okay. Select the rig and then hit Control Tab to re-enter pose mode. Oh. Just be careful not to unparent the rig or it will be ruined and you'll have to start all over again. Control Tab to enter pose mode. Control Tab. Yes. Yes, this works perfect. Well, it's starting to get there. It's starting to look cool. So I think what we need to do is like parent all these floating objects to this head bone somehow. And then for stuff like the ears not following, we gotta parent the ears to the head bone. So let's see. Let's find our ears. Let's find our head bone actually first. Head bone. Parent the ears to that. I have to go into edit mode. How do I do this? Select the child, then the parent, and then P? No, that separates. Control J? Control P? Oh, I don't want to connect. Control P. Keep offset. Ooh, I think we're making progress. Control P. Keep offset. And the same for the shoulder. That would be this one. Yep, that looks good. Keep offset. And that kind of makes sort of like collarbones. That looks good. Cooking with gasoline, boys. Okay. Legs should probably be kind of separate. I'm not exactly sure how to do legs yet. A little bit of IK would be nice. Man, doing IK bones was so hard back in the day. Oops, he's missing his finger. Oh no. How did that happen? No worries. Just give him a new one. I think that'll be okay. Middle 2. Okay. When you do flip names, check this box in the menu. Strip numbers. Oh shit. What a cheeky little hidden thing. I wouldn't have known that. I forgot his tail. Holy shit. Also, his spine's not really matching the right curve. Forgot to kind of put those in place. Let's see. Let's just move this stuff in place. Hopefully this should be okay. Edit this stuff afterwards. Just like a spine would. Like that. Looks pretty good. Can't believe I forgot his tail. I am ashamed. There we go. Grab this guy, rotate it on the Y 90 degrees. Oops, I'm still on 3D cursor. Rotate Y 90. Stiff tail is natural and correct. Let's see, that should be lined up okay. Keep extruding. Go smaller and smaller and just create like sort of an exponential thing to it. There, something like that. Probably want to redo the whole weighted thing. Hopefully that's easy to do. Okay, let's parent that to here. Keep offset. I'm not sure what to do about the legs yet. Let's select the mesh and then the armature. Let's hit Control P with automatic weights. And then Control Tab for pose mode. How do you curl things? In Maya, you can just like double click and it'll select all the bones and like do an automatic like curl for it. That's kind of working though. Individual origins, of course. Rotate. Oh, look at that! Swish, 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 swish. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. So that should work with his fingies also. We rotate them. Oh, look at him bend his little fingies. So good. Oh my gosh, this works so well. I'm so excited. Alright, for the big test, how does this bone affect things? Okay, that's what I thought. How's everything else looking though? That bone kind of bends a little bit weird, but that's probably fine. Not this guy. Maybe move that point down a little bit. But honestly, that's probably fine. Can you move these bones? You can. Cool. Dude, that's the best part of rigging. Just make them dance to the music. Do the limbo, man. Do the fucking limbo. Okay. We gotta figure out how to parent that junk to the shit. Is this just the more advanced way to do it? Probably, huh? Yeah, it's showing how to set up IK. We can do that another time. Some tips: start with the model with pre-bent knees. Hit Alt-R to reset a pose. I don't care about Rigify. Not yet, anyway. Let me see. That's a pretty good guide, though. I do like this this guide on rigging. I'll have to keep that bookmarked. It's really hard to find guides where it's all text. Like nowadays it's just video. You can do this now. What? Oh, we can dance together. What is this, George?
I can dance to music. When I get the rig done, I have some specific things that makes it even better. Because now it will be just like this. I am a 3D character from 2001. One of those cell phone mascots, like Crazy Frog. Or something other specifically annoying.
You can download this character on your phone
disgusting.
Right now. Just text the message, I want that 3D character on my phone, to 9688. What does YCH mean? It stands for your character here. Should I take that out? People seem very confused about that part. I might make it invisible. Or I could just rename it to you, like YOU. Like, he's supposed to be you. He's supposed to be your character, you know. YCH is like a cheeky thing from furry commissions. What was I looking up? Oh yeah. Blender parent to bone. How to parent an object to a bone. In object mode, select the first object you want to parent, then the armature that the bone belongs to. Change to pose mode, select the specific bone you want to parent to. Press Ctrl P. Okay. I feel ashamed, I should have known that. Or I should have at least tried it. Okay, so... It's weird, it looks like... it looks like it kind of works. Object. Well, I don't understand because I do not use Modo. I use Toon Boom Harmony for my 2D stuff. Get your own mobile dancing pal. What the fuck? What am I supposed to do? Well, we could try parenting this to the armature. Go into pose mode, select that bone. Control P, parent. Set parent to bone. Eyes are connected with the head and neck, I reckon. I mean, I joined them together. Aren't they on the same mesh? Like, this is the mesh, if I turn this on and off. So I thought anyway. Oh, but sweet. Oh, no, that's not working. Why is that not working? I thought I took off the modifiers on it. Is it still on there? It is on there. Okay. Visual geometry to mesh. It's not working. I want to apply this. Apply. There we go. So now if I rotate it. It kind of goes inside the mesh a little bit. I'm not sure why that's the case. Also, his eyes aren't staying attached. No, I've literally never opened Modo. They are the same mesh, but they're separated parts in the same mesh, so they calculate separately when doing the automatic thing. Is this where weight painting would come in handy? I have a curious look upon my brow. Blender, weight painting. I don't want to buy a course. I just want to see the instructions. Introduction? I think what I can do, I have a, is it Control Tab? I have...
Oh, no, not the beast! Not the beast! Ah!
I have a... Object. I have a weight paint tool here. Texture paint, weight paint. Let's go into there. And my graphics card does this. I'm sorry, I can't fix it. And if we select the head, I see that weight paint. That one's fine. I want to work on the head. How do I do that? Armature, vertex group. Let's see. Select the eye vertices. Go to Object Data Properties. Oh shit. Edit. Select the eye vertices. Go to that. Oh shit. That's where the weight keys are. Why is it just called bone 1, bone 2, bone 3, and bone 4? Oh, shoot, that's my tail. I didn't name my tail bone. Let's fix that. Tail 1. Yes, don't forget to hydrate. Drink whatever drink is nearby, whether it's motor oil or the leaky stuff coming out of your pipes. It's all hydration. Tail 6. There we go. Cool, that makes more sense. Select the eye vertices, go to Object Data Properties. Choose head bone in the vertex group, then click Assign. It's in here somewhere. There we go. Assign. Let's do the same on all this stuff. Assign. Okay. The eyes and the brows seem like they're looking... Well, no, they're kind of sliding around. Hey, see you, Classy Goblin. Have a good one. Good luck in class. Yeah, if it doesn't work, then select the other vertex groups and click Remove. If, another option we probably could do is use a Boolean modifier and just join them to literally be the same mesh. Would also be a good option. But let's try that. Select the other ones. Click Remove. Seems like I can't shift click all of them. This is kind of a pain. Yeah, it makes sense. I was figuring. Probably don't need to do like toe weights or anything like that. Let's keep going for a little bit, just in case. Okay, let's see how that looks. Object, then pose mode. I think I fixed it. I mean, he's never gonna bend this far, but fuck yeah, dude, kick ass. I need to do the same thing on this mouth then, probably. Well, it doesn't have vertex groups. Constraint properties. There's like no way to convert this to a mesh, is there? Make instance real? And then convert to mesh? No, it's still a drawing object. Which is fine. It just seems like it's not rotating properly with the head. Or maybe I just need to offset it a little bit more. vertex group. Show in front. That's probably not what we want. Display as solid. I mean, it's not the hugest deal. Well, that part's not following. Why? Let's see. I think I have to shift select that, go into pose mode, select that bone, and then parent it to that bone. Now if I rotate it, there we go. Seems to work alright. It's probably good enough. I'm not stoked about the mouth, but I don't know what else to do about it. Maybe try parenting it again. Yeah, I'm not sure what we could do about that. Blender, grease, pencil, and bone. Armature. Armature modifier is used for building skeletal systems. Da-da-da-da-da-da. So if we select that, select our mouth. Let's make sure to save before we mess anything up. Call this smile. Modifier, vertex group? Doesn't look like can apply anything. Add modifier, armature. Select this armature. Bone envelopes. Tersey, just to make sure, parenting the bone isn't creating any weights. It's quite literally doing a Control P to an object. That's what the grease pencil objects are doing. That makes sense. Like, it's not, like, physically attached to the head. It's more like just moving around wherever the bone is. I think the mouth is clipping inside the head because the head is affected not only by the head bone, but also the neck bone. You basically need to do the head the exact same things you did to the eyes. Oh. Oh. Hmm. So I don't. You mean like this? Like select the vertices like this? Isn't that what weight painting's for? I don't like selecting vertices this way. This feels like it's not gonna look good. Edit mode, if I select all those. Material, let's get rid of the armature. That doesn't do anything. Oh, my brain. Blender, wait. Hey Butters Turtles, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. So if I want to weight paint just for this bone, I go into pose mode, select that bone, and then there's no weight paint mode now. Object? I guess I have to select the mesh to get into weight paint mode. But how do I select? See, now it's on this bone. Why? How? Why does it have that bone selected? Select armature, then shift select mesh, and then weight paint mode. How do I change which bone I'm working on? I have the head selected. And selected right here. Weight paint, select bone.
Bitch! I love you!
On further investigation, the face bones can be selected with Control and right mouse button. No. No. I mean, I've selected it multiple times. I'll try again. Pose mode. Select different bones. Select head bone. Select mesh, shift select armature. Fuck. Okay, pose mode. Select different bones. select head bone. Then go into object mode. Shift select the mesh. Weight paint mode. What the fuck, dude? Select the vertex group and the data object property. Why is it so fucking confusing? Let's see. Vertex groups. Head. Weight paint. There we go. Yeah, it's like orange. That's probably why. It needs to be more of a red color, right? Oops. Oh, my weight's at 0. That's why I set that to 1. This will probably help. Thank you for your help, Thirsty. I really appreciate it. I would have not found that. None of the things I was looking up was showing that's where you selected the bone. Just want to make sure that we get all of our face selected here. Chinny chin chin. Probably should have had symmetry turned on, but that's okay. Alright. I think if the rest of him looks squishy, that's fine. It's mostly just the face I want to be solid. Apply this. What is this? Auto normalize. What the fuck? Where is that? Brushes. You're under tool properties. That's under options. Auto normalize. Okay, well. I already painted. Hopefully that didn't break anything. This mystery option I would not have known about. Oh, just in case, even if it's red, it might share the weight with other groups. Applying that checkbox, it won't share with any other groups other than the one you're currently working on. Interesting. Yeah, that I feel like that should be on by default. Maybe it's not for a reason. Okay, and he's like faceted for some reason now. Shade smooth. Object mode. Pose mode. Holy crap, dude. Okay. Fuck's sake. Alright. Head looks good. How's the neck look? Neck seems fine. Ears. Ears are a bit fucky. So, where's that hidden option? That's under... Not on the armature. It's on the mesh. Vertex group. Where's his ears? Ear 1? Can we do 2? That's probably why it doesn't let you select more than one. Let's do ear 1. Weight paint mode. We only want it right here. I think when I was doing weight painting, I remember it being in black and white. It's kind of cool that it's got this rainbow color to it. It seems a little bit more useful. Wow, it's all the way over here. Okay, is it anywhere else? I really hate this flicker effect. I've gotten used to it, but it's so ugly. Here too? Here two's probably fine. Okay. Where's his other ear? Ear one. Oh cool, it's selecting his eyebrow. Was there anything else that was kind of fucky? I think his tail and how it attached to his butt was a little fucky. We could try cleaning that up a little. Probably a way to mirror weight paints, I bet. Ooh, you have mirror bones. Using this mirror vertex group. It's under Z. Oh, it's doing it automatically. Okay. Cool. I did not know that's where that existed though. Thank you. Cool. That is on by default. Thank gosh. I think that looks good. Yeah, it looks like it's on Y already. It seems to be grayed out. It looks like it's on for me. Got symmetry here and here. Topology mirror? No? Oh, if I uncheck it, then if I uncheck it, then it's not grayed out. I assume I want to keep that probably checked. Very strange. I'm not sure, but maybe it's fine. Hey D Matthews, how's it going? I am. This is my first time like doing weight painting. It's still affecting the eyebrow. Why? Why? There's something I'm not seeing here. Oh, there's like... How do I get rid of that? There's like weird stuff along the edges here. Can I just select it? Maybe if I turn on... What the fuck? Why is that there? Can't I like... Maybe Alt-Z? I want to like... paint through this whole thing. I don't want any of that. Can I just do a selection? Gradient. Draw. Strength. Strength pressure. Brush stroke. Fall off cursor. I don't want this. How do I get rid of this easily? Whatever. Look, it's still there. I can't click on it. It's too small. Front faces only. Okay. Thank you, Tersey. Tool options. I should give these a little perusal. So, in theory, if I do this to this ear, it should apply to the other ear. Let's see if that's the case. Ear 1. Nope. It's all a learning experience in it. Okay, how are we looking now? The pivot point for it's probably a little fucky. I think it needs to be like down a bit more. Let's try that. Probably want to subdivide that ear tip there. But, you know, for my first attempt, for my first try at it, it's fine. Did this stuff get unpainted? I feel like this was red before down here. Did that get undid somehow? Oh, it's fun. Yeah, it was like weight painting and inverse kinematics are the two things that made me fail my 3D class. I hated them both. There we go. Cool. That works good enough for me. How are the arms? Seems fine. I'm gonna call that good enough. about his legs. Oh, they actually bend pretty okay. How about straightening out? Yeah, it's not bad. Seems alright. Okay, let's save up a version. Let's figure out inverse kinematics. That's gonna be a hoot and a holler. Okay, where's that start at? Hey Phil, how's it going? Kind of is. Yeah, it's definitely not beginner friendly, this stuff, I would say. Okay, so they want a bone facing inwards like that. Let's go into edit mode. Add a bone. Like that. Put it right about there. Oh, hold on a minute. So they want it to come out from that bone. So can I extrude from here? It's facing the wrong direction. There's a pleb HTML and JavaScript coding. Nice. That's cool. Is there a way to join these bones? Let's see, snap to vertex. No? How do I make it snap to that bone? I'd like it to snap to this bone right here. Do it by eye. I want it right there. That looks pretty good. And then Control P, parent it. Did that work? Control P. Control P. Oh. Thanks, Phil. I love this kind of music. I don't know. I'm deleting this bone. I'll just go on without it. Hopefully I don't need it. Extrude a bone downwards. I'm just trying to make an IK bone setup. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. What am I looking at? That's a really good question, Psycho. I could say the same thing. Let's see. To show the names of your bones on screen, you can click the object data properties on the right and tick the box for names. Okay. Names. Okay. That would be cool, Tersey. Yeah, I'd be super up for that. I think I want to learn this way, so I at least do it once on my own, and then I'll probably be able to understand what you're doing better. Okay, I've already parented these. I've done this part already. Done this. Duplicate, mirror. Yada yada. Flip names. Next we will add an IK setup for the legs. This will help with posing and animation. Yada yada yada. Turn on X mirror, but for us we want the Y mirror. How come only X is showing? You can't just do this on the X axis, can you? Are you fucking serious? Do I have to rotate my whole rig? Is that gonna break anything? Oh my gosh. Maybe I have to rotate him 90 degrees? Yes. Yes. Oh, it's so good. Help me! I think this may be a bit of a problem. Okay. What if I rotate his rig on the Z by 90? What if I just do that? Does that work? Is that fine? He's rotated. Now it's on the X. Fucking hell. I'm gonna say reset all, or apply all transforms. Make sure this stuff still works. Seems fine. It's so fun. I could play with that all day. Let's proceed this way. I don't know why my bones are outlines now. I don't know how that happened. So now let's turn on, we went into pose mode. Turn on X symmetry. In the side view, select the tip of the leg bone and press E to extrude. Okay, so since mine is a furry character, mine's a bit different. I think they want it extruded from this bone. In what direction do they want it? They want it going down? Delete the name of the parent bone. Oh my god, dude. It's very simple, but my brain is like not following. Okay. Select the tip of the leg bone and press E to extrude. Rename the new bones again. Name it what? What do you want me to name this? IK leg. So E to extrude. Probably need to be in edit mode, not object mode. I probably want it to be IK from here. So E to extrude. Call this, where's object mode? Object data, that's armature. Bone, here we go. Call this IK leg.l. And then under relations, delete the parent. And then it wants us to duplicate it. Uncheck the connected box. Okay, it's unchecked. Let's duplicate the foot bone. And then scale on the X by -1. Oops, I don't have, I need to do on 3D cursor. Duplicate, scale on the X by -1, enter. There we go. Okay. Let's rename it to ikleg.r. I thought I turned X on. Well, now it's on. So if I duplicate this again, move it up, did it make 2 of them? It did. Okay. Cool. Alright. Rotate on the X 90 degrees. Still on 3D cursor. That. These are the knee pointers, I assume. Sure is what they look like. Yep, so these are called knee. Knee left, knee right. I think I'm just about blendered out. We'll keep going for a little bit longer. Okay, go into pose mode. Left click on the lower leg bone. I don't know which leg they mean. I guess the one under the thigh. Pose mode, select the lower leg. Or do they mean this one? Brain has been blended, exactly. Left click on the lower leg bone to select it. In the bone constraint properties, which looks like that, it's this guy. Add a new constraint inverse kinematic to the lower leg bone. There's a whole bunch of these. Wowie zowie. Inverse kinematic. Then select the armature object from your drop-down list. Okay, selected that. Then select the bone IK leg in the bone field. Bone field, and set the chain link to 2 so it affects the last 2 bones of the chain, lower leg and thigh bone. Since mine's a furry, it's probably going to be 3 bones. Let's see. Let's grab... Oh man, my window looks different than theirs does. Let's see. Select the armature, then select the bone, IK leg left. So that's this one. In the bone field, set the chain link to 2. What bone field? Where? I can't do this. I can't do this right now. I'm happy. Look, we rigged our bubblegum little lollipop fucking pink bubblegum goo shit dude. He moves around. His legs don't work like I want them to, but they work, you know, if I grab them and move them around, you know, they kick and fly, and he does all sorts of like running around, you know. He can jump over things. He can fly, duck, dodge. He does everything that I want it to. So I should be happy. I should be pretty happy with what we got done today. We figured out so many problems, like figuring out the head. Thanks to Terzi's help. Really appreciate it. I'll either do inverse kinematics off stream or just not do it at all. 'Cause that shit's boring. We'll continue with the rest of the game next time. Thank you, BJC. Thank you, guys. Here's a quickie. Select the IK bones, shift select the now orange bone, and shift I. Okay, I'll give that a shot off stream. But thank you guys. Hope you're all having a good Monday. Hope Monday treats you well. Let's go see who we can raid. Wow. Thank you, DJC. Let's see who's online. Let's see who we can pass the love on to. In the meantime, say hello to all these amazing, awesome people. Check out all the fan art. I love all the awesome fan art. Let's see who's online. Let's do Linvalin. We haven't raided Lin in a long time. If you guys don't follow Linvalin, go give her lots of follows, lots of love. Super awesome streamer, leader of the Mario Minions, which I am the stream team for. Lin rules. Go say hi, and I'll see you guys over there. Take it easy. Love ya. Bye bye.